In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Canon Rebel T7 without a charger. It is possible for you to charge your Canon Rebel T7 or any other model without using a conventional charger. However, this is going to be dependent on a lot of circumstances and what tools you are able to gather or what tools you have around you. The difficulty here is that unlike many newer mirrorless cameras, Canon's older DSLR models like the Rebel T7 require the battery to be charged externally. So the main thing that you can do is to purchase a third-party universal or USB charger. Of course, I assume that this is not the answer that most people want to hear, because if you were to purchase a new charger, you would just purchase the standard one. But maybe this is an accessory that you have lying around or someone you know has. If you are able to get access to one of these, you can buy an inexpensive third-party charger specifically for the LP E10 battery. So this is the battery that is used on the Canon T7. And once you plug it in using the featured USB-A or USB-C port, you will be able to charge it from many common sources. So a USB wall adapter like a phone charger, a portable power bank, a laptop or desktop that provides power pass-through, and so on. Basically, this will give you access to the conventional charging type by using a USB cable. Now, if you don't have access to this, it becomes much more difficult. Canon has official kits, including the E10 AC adapter and DC coupler kit. But, like I said before, because it is reliant on external tools, it isn't going to be the most practical choice. The sad reality is that charging this particular camera, if you've lost access to the charger, is very difficult. So I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had. If this video cleared them up, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.